Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is Chef Moulick. Today I going to make sun-dried tomato for you. This time I show you how to make sun-dried tomato in the oven. You can use sun-dried tomato, pizza, pasta, salads, etc. So friends, let's start today's episode. Now I cut the tomatoes by 4 and arrange the tomatoes on the tray. Now spread the salt, black pepper, and olive oil. You can add it some fresh herbs like oregano, thyme, rosemary, just for beautiful flavor. But I am not use here. Then I set the temperature here. Friends, always remember the oven temperature must be 120 degree centigrade and should be roasted for 3 hours. Friends, you know, sun-dried tomatoes have so many benefits. 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes has 139 calories, 8 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. Now you see that the sun-dried tomato is ready. Now preserve it with olive oil. Preserved sun-dried tomatoes you can use a long time.